be Watson, north of Cruces.
Possible code 37.
Possible code 37. We're now westbound Sanderson. Get back to Airship Supervisor. Southbound Sanford.
8. Put it out on the radio. Tom.
We're going to be westbound PCH from Sanford. License plate is going to be 8. Speed is
White Hyundai.
It's going to be a white Hyundai. Speed conditions approximately 60 miles an hour. Clear right.
Westbound through Broad.
Westbound PCH from Avalon.
Oh, just TC. Head up. Oh.
Which car?
I don't know. We did not get hit.
Yeah, we didn't get hit.
Hey, turn around. We got one right here.
Go. Get on your stomach, quarterback. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach. The ambulance is on the way. You got him? I'll hold him.
I'm about ribs, bro. I don't, please, bro.
Put your hands behind your back.
All right, I got you, bro. Please.
Turn towards me. Turn towards me.
I can't. Oh, please.
Here's another thing. You got it.
Calling out the call for Avalon PCH, suspect are all tested.